Okay. Oh, come on now. Okay. Alright. Time to feed these hungry Steam Deck fans. Oh, by the way, morning viewers. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your five senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. Yeah. Alright, we're talking about Steamos 3.6 right now, so listen to this. It says here Steam, let's see. Oops, if I can get this here too while I'm at it. Okay, got the beta release. Okay, got that. Alright. Now Steamos 3.6, man. Let's see. You know, Valve is, I'm gonna read everything to you. You know me. When I cover this, I go all in. I'm sitting there just be talking and not giving you no substance. This is why I read this stuff. You see where this information is coming from. Alright, now, what do we got? Oh, Steamos 3.6. Oh, nice cup of tea here. Excellent. Me and my Popeye's chicken cup. Oh, yep. I needed to wake up a little bit. All right, now let me deal with this. Oh, this is a big list. You know me. I'm going to you know me, when I do this, I don't just come out here just running my mouth. You know what I'm saying? I just show you what it is, you know. So save image. Yeah, I'm gonna save this, man. You know me. Nice, love it. Nice. Call this nice. Okay, all right. So we're gonna do both. All right. Let's see. We got the one from Gaming on Linux. Ooh wee. Look at this. Oh man, did they improve a lot? All right. Listen to this. Steamos 3.6 6.19 stable release. And yeah, you remember I told you that the updates are coming in. Updates are coming in. Coming in. Oh yeah. Alright. Got a little dark in here a little bit. Alright, let's do this. It says here Steamos 3.6.19 has been released to stable channel for deck with the following changes. And it says general. Update to a more recent Arch Linux based update to a more recent Arch Linux based and update Linux kernel to version 6.5. These updates improve hardware compatibility, system performance, security, and overall stability. Improve the speed of subsequent OS update. Improve reliability on certain micro SD cards scenarios. Work around misdetection of some SanDisk micro SD cards. Improve responsiveness of session restart in the case of sessions crashes. It says caused by certain GPU error. Fix issues where certain games could crash with a page allocation failure after a long play session. Improve recovery from situations where Steam installation could get corrupted. Fix some connectivity failures with access point supporting WPA3 securities. Fix a problem where Steam Deck would be unable to connect to certain Wi-Fi 7 access point. Fix game session cursor offset alignment. Fix an issue where a thin gray line could appear at the bottom of the screen during the boot in some situation. Fix an issue where performance overlay would spuriously enable itself under certain conditions. Fix an issue preventing sleep in some off-the-market SSDs. Fix an issue preventing update checks for working properly on network with an invalid IPv6 configuration. Fix an issue where touching the left track after sleep could result in a spurious haptic click. Fix general issues affecting OLED unit on 3.5 causing a slow memory leak during gameplay. Fix an issue causing update error message when attempting to interact with update menu on preview update channel. Fix the frame limiter not properly applying in certain situation. Fix an issue where blocking corruption could appear on screen on certain state transitions. Fix an issue where update the built-in controller firmware could result in a blank screen during boot. Fix a rare issue where sound output could be corrupted on certain boots. Fix a rare issue where 3.5 headphones could produce elevated background noise on reconnection until the next sleep resume. Fix an issue where update would sometimes be applied incorrectly if the unit was powered off abruptly near the end of an OS update. Fix an issue with copy and pasting UTF-8 text across application. And then it says fix a problem where game recording capture failing could cause subsequent captures to also fail. Fix a crash where using magnifier tools while game recording is active. Fix a cold space game recording. Fix an issue where color could appear washed out when using Steam Remote Play as client. Fix a possible crash when using Steam Deck as a Remote Play host. Fix an issue that could cause video to stutter in titles such as BlazBlue centralification. Fix an issue with a rare session crash during early startup of Elden Rings. Fix display regression with certain titles such as Warrior All-Star, Disgaea 5, Centipede, Vampire the Masquerade, Reckoning, and of the New York workaround bug where HDR couldn't be selected in Halo Infinite. Fix an issue causing temporary files to occur when using Flatpak. Security fix for Flatpak CVE 24.42.47.2. Now for graphics performance. Update graphics driver to Mesa 24.1 with many performance and other improvements. Improve responsiveness of Steam user interface. Improve performance and stability in memory pressures situation. Slightly improve cold boot times. Then it says display. Improve display informity under some conditions. Mura compensation. Improve display color balance. Reduce green tint at lower brightness level under some conditions. Improve gamma uniformity yellow tint under some conditions. Fix certain specific refresh rate failing to apply on the OLED Limit Edition model. Fix an issue where the internal display could remain blank after disconnecting an external display. Fix an issue where internal display could abnormally limit to a lower frame rate after disconnecting an external display with VRR enabled. Fix a rare situation where switching to desktop mode or back could result in a blank screen or wrong color. Now for external displays. Fix several issues where internal displays could remain blank after resuming. Fix an issue where an external display could remain blank if the mode requires a chroma subsampling. Fix an issue where the system could crash on wake up if an external DisplayPort monitor was connected. Fix a system crash when hot plugging a second display in the desktop mode. Improve frame pacing with VRR on external display. Now for Bluetooth. Improve pairing experience with Apple AirPod. Enable support for Bluetooth HFP and BAP profile. Add mechanism to configure with Bluetooth device category are allowed to wake the system from suspend. By default, controller are the only device that can wake the system from sleep. Fine-grained user interface configuration will be available as a part of the future update. Improve connection speed of some Bluetooth device. Fix an issue where Bluetooth peripherals would disconnect on session switch. Now for input. Add support for extra ROG Ally keys. Add support for Asus ROG Ricari Pro controller. Add support for Machinike G5 Pro controller. Add support for Steam Deck motion sensor to built-in non-Steam kernel driver. Fix an issue where scroll wheel Steam input binding weren't functional. Fix an issue where DualShock 4 and DualSense controller would sometimes not function properly on their connection. Fix calibration on some third-party DualShock 4 controller. Okay, desktop mode. Update to KDE Plasma 5.27.10. Enable thumbnails preview for video in the file browser. Fix an issue with desktop views that could cause subsequent microSD card auto mount to fail. Fix Zenity dialog boxes. Fix nested desktop crashing on launching. Now for BIOS and firmware. Adjust power ledge slow charging threshold. Fix not being able to set SD card as default boot device. Fix spurious power ledge blinking in S5. Steam Deck OLED. Add support for Windows Bluetooth driver. LCD model already have Windows Bluetooth support. Steam Deck LCD only. Improve battery life by up to 10% in light load situation. Add overclocking controls. And then for Steam Deck docking station, add support for HDMI, CEC features, TV remote input, TV wake up, TV switching. Update dock firmware with compatibility fixes for high refresh VRR display, and fixing several issues where display could remain blank. And now for development and modding. Mod files in slash are now migrated to new OS version based on the whitelist. Fix numerous issues with incremental touch, etc. file becoming sticky and persisting unexpectedly. Additional whitelist entries can be added via confragment c slash etc slash automatic update dot config dot d slash examples dash additional dash keep dash list dot config add slash etc previous slash contain modification from previous update to prevent unexpected data loss. Update to 5 previous snapshots of etc slash modification will additionally be retained in slash var slash live slash steamos dash automatic update slash extra underscore backup slash, and then it says add support for SSHD config frag system split package reinstallation setup SteamOS dev mode command into new SteamOS unminimized command SteamOS dev mode. Now simply enter read write mode and initialize the Pac-Man keyring for use in much quicker. Then it says open fix remote code execution bug CVE 24.63. And that is that. So that is the SteamOS update. Took me 13 minutes. Pretty good. Yeah. SteamOS 3.6.19. Now, Gaming on Linux got the same thing. So I put both the articles in the description box. But Gaming on Linux got a display here where it says it shows the system SteamOS version and what's your favorite part of the update. And someone said in the comments, says does it finally allow screen turn off while downloading game? Sometimes that should have been there from day one for the OLED model, if you ask me. Somebody said hooray, I never heard of Mura, still on Plasma LTS. Are they sure they updated my deck? 3.6. Anyway, yeah. So SteamOS 3.6.19. Yeah, it's out now. So you know, remember I keep telling you guys that that you need to have the you know, you need to have that 2 terabytes of storage in the Steam Deck, because you know the updates are coming in at any given hour, any given day, any given week. You know, so updates are always, you know, marching in. So gotta have that internal storage, man. You know, for all your SteamOS, Protons, your you know, Chikai, your Creo, you know, whatever app you're using from the store in the desktop mode. You know, so yeah. But these updates, they fix a lot of things, so your experience with the Steam Deck should be better. Even the battery life got a 10% upgrade on on the Steam Deck. So Valve was busy, man. So yeah, they're always updating this Steam Deck. You know the button layouts. I just love me personally with my Steam Deck. I just love the button layouts of this thing. It's just they nailed it, man. They nailed it. I just love the whole layout of the Steam Deck, man. Valve, keep it like this. Don't change it. So yeah, you might have to update the screen, but to an 8-inch. But yeah, but other than that, man, yeah, they're on it, man. So this should do for now. So I'll keep you guys in the loop and keep you up to date. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy this new update. If you run into a problem with the Steam Deck, you can always send it into Valve, and they'll take a look into it, and reply with an update, So yeah, add your the problem that you're having to the next Steamos update, and then they'll fix it. So yeah, that should do it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek, Board, Dark Side. Go. Peace.